Stops. People trailing. We're gonna take something here. Let's see.
Order filled.
Let's take something.
Order submitted.
See if it wants to come take out these highs up here. I expect this bearish fair value gap right here to get disrespected. So I expect all of this right here to push this back up. Let's see what happens here. If we can close above this fair value gap, because of my eyes, this was a liquidity sweep right here. So we're going to continue up here. And the reason I didn't take more on this is just because I usually don't. I like to wait for my model, but I'm kind of anticipating us going up to this. Just patience here. Slow movements. Probably waiting for that 9 o'clock hour to hit before we start moving, picking a direction which way we want to move here. They're about 5 minutes until that happens. So it's possible we could, if we don't go ahead and just start taking highs, we could start accumulating for the next 5 minutes here. Once we take this high, I'm just going to move it to break even, because once we take this high right here, there's no reason we should need to come back down to here at all. We held these fair value gaps perfectly. This one right here, we are inversing it. Now we're using it as what? Support. It should come off of it, and it should push us higher up into this level. And I want to see if we can reach
Order
this
submitted.
right here, this high. But once we take this high right here, I'm going to put us at break even. Because again, there's no reason we should need to come back down here at all here. You want to close above this, and now use it as, what does retail call it? Resistance becomes support. So now we want to now use this as support, as well as all this fair value gap right here. We have this one right here. So we should continue up. I want to treat this right here as a breakaway gap. And I don't want to return back down here. And once we come up here, I'm not looking to short these. These are just targets. There's a difference from having targets that you want to short and targets that you want to take profit at, or vice versa. So I want to see us continue up here. So we are coming down here. If we come down, wouldn't be too good RR here on this. I may look to grab, what's the 3 minute here? Let's hit this 3 minute closes. I may look to actually add some more here on this 2 minute. Which would be at 97. It'd be about 40 points. We can only take one more. If we didn't come down, we may just go ahead and take it straight up. If we come back down here, I'll look to add more. This 5 minute, we're about to hit the 9 o'clock hour here. Could use this right here as a breakaway gap on the higher time frame, 3 minute. Not that it's higher time frame, but could use that. 2 minute. If we come back here on the 2 minute, I'll look to add. Other than that, I want to go straight up. Ooh. And when we add, of course, I will move my stop down to here. It just won't be won't be as big, but when you have trades, you know, people don't like taking one-to-one RR. I don't mind it if the trade is a good trade. I say it's a good trade because one, we took this liquidity out, fair value gap, come up here, market structure shift right here to the upside. Now I'm expecting us, if we're going to come down to these right here, this fair value gap, I will look to add.
Order submitted.
We'll bring this down to here.
Order submitted.
If we want to come back down. Of course, we have this 3-minute 2 right here. That would not look at it. I would want to come down a little bit more upon that. Other than that, I want to go. I want to pretty much just go straight up here. Not really a real reason for us to come back down, because we already took these sell stops right here. If you look, who's been making money since the market opened? When we opened, we sold right here, and we dropped. Now we sold back into this fair value gap liquidity. We took this liquidity. We took trailing stops right here. Now we're going back up. So I expect this to just continue up here. Take out this higher time frame. Take out this higher time frame. External level. That's what I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure that's what we're going to get here. I do know that 15-minute from yesterday, that accumulation manipulation, that high that was taken out, and I don't know if y'all remember, but I also said on the I showed y'all that 15-minute fair value gap you could have taken. They're real nice. And I know it's pretty expensive to move, to swing longs over, but if you're still in those were nice if you swung over. I mean, of course you would have, you'd have been still up in position if the market open. I mean, it's futures is 24/7 essentially, so but we're accumulating here. I expect this just to continue back up. Want to see? Oh, there we go. Whoa.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Want to see us continue up into this. We had 9 o'clock. No, we didn't have 9 o'clock. It is 9:03. Want to see us continue up. Prepare to sell my order though, because we did take the high I wanted to see here. Give it a couple seconds. I'm just going to take it here.
Order filled.
Took it. Nice trade here. This is my main level I wanted to see. Of course, I want to see this X hit, but I only took one contract on that. Usually, I want to usually take 2 so I can sell here and here. But since we went ahead and took that, but like I said, we accumulated here and we shot up. Nice trade. Took a trade I usually don't execute, but just trying something new out here. So that's my one trade for the day. All you need is one trade a day. Now I will sit here. It's only 9:04, so I'm gonna sit here and watch the rest of the market, see what we can get, but I'm not looking to really get into any trades. So we'll just kind of just sit here and wait. Those are the executions.